Hello everyone, and this is our class project number 2, and here I'll be showing you guys how you can create a wavy text t-shirt design. Okay, so here I will show you guys the steps, how you can actually unfold the text wrap and work with all of those options there in the Illustrator. Okay, we'll be learning about all of that here in detail in this particular class. So let's see what are the steps which you need to follow. So here, as you guys can see, I do have the name of the class project, which is creating a wavy text t-shirt design. Okay. And after that, I do have a description and also outcome. Like description is basically what it is about, and outcome is what you'll get after doing or following all the steps. So the first step will be creating a new file in Illustrator. And the step two will be write your text and choose a font. Okay, so you might want to choose some text style which looks quite great. And here the step number 3 is you'll be creating outline for your text, and the step number 4 is wrap the text according to your need. I'll show you from where you guys can get the wrap option, and also this step number 5 will be choosing the color accordingly. Okay, you need to choose what type of color you want to put onto your text, and the last step will be saving the file, and you guys will be uploading it into our project panel. So let's see how you can start doing that. So here, as you guys can see, I'm in the workspace and I also do have a artboard over here. So I'll just select my text tool down from here. And what I'm going to write is I am going to write the, and I'll use the caps, the best. And again, I will come here and I'll just take my text tool and I'll just write another text. Okay, so the best way to spend, and I'll just come down here again and I'll just take another text box and I'll just write holiday. Okay, so I'll just come over here and take this one and I'll just write holiday over here. And now I'll select my selection tool, select this particular text around. Okay, so now move this thing somewhat over here. And what you can do is you can just increase the size of this thing. And now I will just select this whole text together. Okay, and what I can do is I can just align them here in the center. Okay, so I will just come over here, and what I can do is I can just align the lining. So I'll just come here. Okay, so horizontal align center, and now I will come here and I will just vertically align it here. So I do have this thing. I don't have to do the vertical alignment. So now I will again take this text tool, and what I can do is I will select all this thing, and from here I will choose a different text style. Okay, so abstract groovy. So I'll just take this thing out from here, and what I will do is I will just position this thing that the length is fine. Okay, and if I just want to put up any colors over here, so I won't put much of it, I'll just show you guys a description of how it actually works. Okay, come here, green, and come here, select this text and take up a brown color. So this is how you guys can actually use your coloring. Okay, so maybe I'll just take this green over here. Okay, so I do have all of this right now. So now what I'll do is I'll just wrap this text around. Okay, so for wrapping the text around, what I can do is I need to go to my windows first. Okay, otherwise I just can do it from my panel as well if I do have the option of text wrapping. Okay, so I'll just come here again, and now I will come to the fill option, which will be the last one. So I'll just select this thing. Okay, so now I do have this text ready, and what I can do is select this selection tool and select all this over here. And now, so I'll just select this. Okay, go to object And from object, you guys can go to text wrap options. Okay, so here you guys do have, you guys can also invert this layer. Okay, so I can do from here. Otherwise, other way of how you can do is, or come here in object and envelope distort make with wrap. Okay, so here is another way of how you can do that. And from here you guys can select wave. Okay, and you can basically select the blend. Okay, how much you want to blend in. Okay, so if you want to blend it horizontally, or if you want to blend it kind of like this, you guys can do this out over here. So now I do have this thing. I'll just click on shift, decrease the size. And what I can do is come here in the file, go to place. And from here, I will just take this one. I will double click and I'll just paste this thing somewhere over here. Okay, so I'll just place this thing up. And now I will right click, go to arrange, bring to front, and again click on shift, decrease the size, and you guys can put this thing somewhat out here. So this is how you guys need to make a wavy t-shirt design. So I've just shown you guys the simple way. And as you guys have already seen the class, you guys will be able to do it in a better way. So I'll be waiting for you guys to send me your work. Till then, take care and goodbye, everyone.